After watching this video, you will know exactly how to create an NFT and how you can sell it and make a ton of money. So, NFT, it's a simple online artwork that it's based on cryptocurrency. It's pretty much a digital artwork that you can sell and resell, and you can always make money because it's a piece of art digital. And this is a really great way on how you can make money, how you can monetize your artwork, how you can monetize your business, and how you can still earn passive income every time that someone buy or sell your artwork. So the first thing that you need to do is to create the artwork. Create an image, a video, a GIF, a TIFF, whatever you want. Then we will see the supported formats of art, but simply create an image, for example a PNG image. And in order to have an image that you can sell as an NFT, you need to be the owner. You cannot take a picture from the internet and then resell that as an NFT. So you need to be sure 100% to be the only creator of the picture and to have all the legal permission to resell that piece of art. And with art I simply mean a picture, a GIF, whatever you want. You can create a piece of art from something very simple, and then you can create something very complicated. So the first thing, as I've just said, we need to go on a platform, on a software, and create some images. For this I have two main ways for beginners. The first one is to go on canva.com, and here, as you can see on my computer, you see that it's Canva. Now it's in Italian, but you can change the language in English. And you can create a project. For example, we chose a project that is 2000 pixels and 2000 pixels. So once we are here there is the project. Now we just simply need to go on elements and maybe look for few ideas, few graphic elements. For example, home. Let's take this home right here. And then we look for a sun. Okay, we have the sun right here. And then we can add maybe a background or maybe a texture. Okay, we can show something like this. Now, my design skills are not good, so I'm just showing you the example. For example, you have this one, and then you can also add the details. So right now, as you can see, it's an animated picture, so it can be a GIF or a video. And now we simply click on download. We choose the format, GIF, PNG, video, MP4, whatever you want. Let's say, for example, that we download this as a JPG, and then we download the image. And then if you are good, you can use Photoshop or maybe InDesign or Illustrator or other and more complex softwares. But at the beginning, in order to create something simple but that you can try to sell as an NTF, you can simply use canva.com. So once you have your design, once you have your image, your video, your file, your piece of art that you want to sell, right now you need to have one important thing, and is a wallet, a crypto wallet, because you get paid in crypto. Most of the times it's Ethereum, and if you don't have a wallet, you cannot sell the art, and you cannot get the money. For me, the best two wallets are Trust Wallet and MetaMask. For me, those are the two best and more simple wallet that I've used in the past. My favorite one is Trust Wallet, this one right here. And by having this wallet, you can pretty much take the money, let's say for example $100 from your bank, and then put them into your wallet. So once you start buying, selling and managing all these NFTs, you can earn money on your wallet, and then from the wallet you can send them to your bank account. But as I've just stated, right here you have downloaded the image and you have saved the image. Now, the next step, in order to sell your artwork, you need to go on rarible.com. Create, sell or collect digital items. And as you can see right here, it's a marketplace of NFTs. Right here you can see everything. You see from a simple image, maybe this one here at the bottom, you see simple image, then you see a coffee image right here. That this is very simple to make. You can just take a picture of yourself. And then right here we have some more complex NFTs, more details, maybe animated, and a lot of things. And I want just to show you that here is the name, so here is the file. Then we go down, here is the name of the NFTs, and then here you can see the price, 5 Ethereum and 1 of 1. Yes, because once you create a new file, once you create a new NFT, you can say that it's 1 of 1, 1 of 10, 1 of 10,000, whatever the number you want. And if you go on more details, right here, you can see that there is a bid for 0.2 Ethereum, that is around $600. And if you want to buy now the NFT, it will cost you more because the price is dictated by the creator. And very important, and this I think this is one of the best advantage of NFTs, you can see that 10% of sale will go to the creator. So every time that someone sells this piece of art to someone else, the 10% of the price, that is the commission pretty much. And by the way, you can choose, you can take 1% or 50% or 20%, but every time that someone sells this item right here, the creator will get 10% of the money. And this is amazing because even in 5-10 years, your piece of art is maybe worth $1 million. And if someone sells that piece of art for $1 million, you earn $100,000 without effort, just as passive income, because you are the creator and you have set this rule. So right now we just go right here on the main page. So then in order to create your first NFT, you need to go on create on the top right and then click on single. You create a single NFT, and as you can see right here, you will have different files. Maximum size is 100 megabyte, but you can upload PNG, GIF, WebP, MP4 or MP3. And right here you shows your file. So right here we simply download on PNG. So we are doing a simple image. Now is downloading the file. Then I go on Rarible right here and I upload the file. So as you can see here, I have my preview. Not for sale, 1 of 1. Okay, right now you can shows the way that you can sell your NFT. There is a fixed price, so you set $1,000 and it's that one. You can add information about the time, so maybe after 1 day you get a discount, then it goes up, then it goes down. Or you can choose for an open bids, so people bid and the price will go up. In order to make things very simple, we chose fixed price and we set, for example, 100 Ethereum. It's 0.2 Ethereum, that it's $600, for example. We see right here that we have a service fee of 2.5%, and then here unlock once purchased. And right here you can add more information or give the link or just give more information when someone buy your art. Maybe you can give them the higher resolution, or maybe you can give them the source file of the project, or maybe other information. And then right here you can choose the collection. You will have your own collection. You choose the title, for example, house. You choose your description. and then your royalties. The royalties is what I've just said, is the percentage of money that you will get every time that the piece of art will be sold. And the average is 10%, but you can use 0 up to 50%. Remember that the higher it's the amount of royalties that you want, it's harder to sell that piece of art, because everybody that buys that knows that maybe 50% of that money goes to the creator and not to them. So they will be less likely to buy and sell that piece of art. And then right here, you just click on create item, and then you connect your wallet, because there is a fee that you need to pay that it's around $5 to $6 to $10 in order to have your NFT, because it's not free to post NFT on this platform. You need to pay $6, so you need to be sure to have a great work and be sure that your artwork will sell, because if not, if you post 100 pictures and nobody buys them, you can spend $600, $700 in commission and you will earn zero money. And then right here, as you can see on the screen, you simply click on connect the wallet. Right here, it's a Trust Wallet, that it is the one that I suggest to you. And then from here, you scan the QR code and you connect your wallet and you pay the fee. Once you have paid the fee, your NFT is online and it's available for purchase. So everybody can go there and buy it, and you can make a lot of money. And if you want to know more about NFT and cryptocurrency, watch this next video right here. I see you there.